If you're experiencing FPS drops in Minecraft, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your performance. Step 1. Adjust video settings. Open Minecraft and navigate to the Options menu. From there, go to Video Settings and lower the render distance, turn off fancy graphics, and set the graphics to fast to reduce the load on your system. Step 2. Allocate more RAM. Close Minecraft and open the Minecraft launcher. Click on Installations, select your profile, and then click on More Options. In the JVM arguments box, change the XMZONG to XMXWOG or higher, depending on your system's RAM, to allocate more memory to the game. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your GPU. Installing the latest drivers can help improve performance and fix bugs that may be causing FPS drops. Step 4. Close background application. Before launching Minecraft, check your task manager for any unnecessary applications running in the background. Close any programs that are using a significant amount of CPU or memory to free up resources for the game. Step 5. Install performance mods. Consider installing performance-enhancing mods like Optifine. This mod allows for more customization of video settings and can significantly improve FPS by optimizing how the game runs on your system. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Minecraft performance. Enjoy your gaming!